Hello guys, welcome to TechTrick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get infinite craft and infinite craft. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we just need to put earth right here, then add in here water. Now we have a plant. So for this plant right here, let's head over and add another plant. Now we have tree. So for this tree right here, let's add another tree and now we have forest. So let's move it closer for now and then let's add another forest. Now we have jungle. So for this jungle right here, we just need to create another element. So put in here earth, and then put in here fire, and now we have lava. So in this lava right here, let's head over and add water. Now we have stone. So for this stone right here, let's add another element, which is wind right here. So let's merge that, and then we have sand. So let's put fire on the sand, and now we have glass. So for this glass, let's merge that and let's set it aside for now. And then in here, let's put in here another element, which is fire. On this fire, let's put in here wind. Now we have smoke. So for the smoke, let's merge that to glass. Now we have mirror. So let's put in here earth, and then let's put in here wind, and now we have dust. So let's put that fire, and now we have ash. So for that ash, let's put here another fire. Now we have phoenix. So for that phoenix, let's put in here another, which is water. Then let's put in here dust. Now we have mud. So let's merge mud with phoenix, and now we have bird. So since we already have this bird, let's head over and merge that into the jungle. And now we have a parrot. So next thing we need to do is put in here earth. Then let's put here another earth. Now we have mountain. Let's merge the mountain with mirror, and now we have echo. So let's merge echo with parrot, and now we have repeat. So let's click on repeat and add another repeat, and now we have loop. So for this loop, let's add here another repeat. Now we have infinite. Now let's put in here fire, and then next thing is adding here water, and now we have steam. So for this steam, let's add another fire, and then in here we have engine, right? So for this engine, let's add in here an earth, and then let's add fire to that earth, and now we have again lava. So for this lava, let's add in here water. Now we have stone. So for this stone right here, let's add another element, which is wind. Let's put wind on the stone, and then let's put engine to the sand. Now we have sandbox. Now let's put another element, and let's add in here earth. Now let's add wind to the earth. Now we have dust. Then let's add another earth. Now we have planet. So for this planet right here, let's merge the sandbox into the planet. Now we have Minecraft. So let's merge Minecraft to infinite. Now we have infinite craft. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.